Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Down to Earth Gardening and Design, and what a beautiful late spring day here. I'm in Connecticut, Zone 6B, and about 2 years ago we brought you a video on designing and installing this cottage garden here. So I wanted to give you an update. We just finished opening up the garden and mulching, and so I'm going to walk you through how we open up a garden like this in the spring and just give you an update on how this garden bed is really coming along. It's really filling out, really beautiful right now. I see a lot of buds. Sorry, there's a lot of work going on in the neighborhood today. But the peonies have big fat buds on them. We have a climbing hydrangea right here on this birdhouse pole, which is anchoring the corner and giving the garden a little vertical interest here. And if you'll remember, this end down here was heavy shade, and it's really filling out and looking beautiful with all this interesting foliage here. Who says a shade garden can't be interesting and beautiful, right? Lots of coral bells and some variegated liriope. We've got some astilbes down here budding. So we're going to show you a little bit more and show you the tasks that we've done today, and then just give you an overall close-up view on the progress of this beautiful cottage garden. So task number one for opening up the garden in the spring is cleaning it out. So that means doing a thorough weeding and cleaning out any winter debris. Task number two that I like to do is put down some slow release fertilizer granules for our perennials. So that gets them ready for their bloom cycle. And the next task, speaking of fertilizer, is we put down our specially formulated rose and flower care. So it's an all-in-one fertilizer. These are granules that you put around the drip line, and it provides insect and disease control as well as feeds our roses. The next task is addressing our hydrangeas. So we want to keep them blue. So we're adjusting the pH, and I like to do this every spring to make sure we get some large, beautiful blue hydrangea blooms. And the next task is, you can see Josh shearing the boxwood here. I love how these little boxwoods provides a nice little hedge and some great winter interest. And it's a great time to shape them up because you can see the new growth on them here. And then we're getting ready for mulch, which is our next big task. So we like to blow everything off and prep it for our mulch application. So I'm here at the opposite end of the home and I'm loving how this bloodgood maple here is filling out and anchoring this corner here. So this side of the house gets a little more sun and things are really looking great. The roses, you can see a knockout, a yellow one in the back that's just starting to come into bloom. But things are doing so well. I really just wanted to give you an update on it. So thank you again for joining me. I love doing these videos for you, and I hope I've given you some ideas and some tips that you can use in your own gardens. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel because we have so many more gardening videos coming your way.